Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman, and we are doing another unboxing today. I'm kind of late to the game with this product, but there's some stuff on the horizon that I am eager to try out, so I picked one up the other day from Google. This is the Daydream View, and this of course consists of the Google Daydream headset along with a controller. So let's open the box and see what we have inside here. Very accessible, as you can see. So here's the main headset. This is kind of a fabric to it, so it looks very nice. I've tried these out a few times now. They're very comfortable, so I'm eager to start playing with it a bit in my home. What you do is put your smartphone in here, of course, and latch that on like so. I'm going to be using a Galaxy S8 that I got a while ago from Qualcomm on loan, and I've been using it in different videos that require a high-end smartphone, so it goes in like so. This is the smaller Galaxy, and it looks like it fits fine in here, and I imagine the larger ones should work well here too. I do have to peel off the little labels here on the lenses, so I'm going to do that real quick here and get that going. So we'll get that one off, and this one off here. There's the little film, and we'll see how all this comes together. And there's another component to this, because one of the issues I had with Google Cardboard was that it was hard to navigate. You had to kind of move your head around. So what they have as part of this system is a remote control that is like buried inside of this packaging here. And this is the remote control for it. So you have a little capacitive button here. It clicks as well. And you've got two other buttons here that you can feel your way around with. And I've tried this now too. So it actually appears in space. So when you're in the VR environment, you can wave it around and point at stuff. And I'm gonna do a review of this on the main channel at lon.tv so you can check it out. So be on the lookout for that. And then inside this little pouch here are some additional items. Oddly, it doesn't look like they give you a charging cable for the controller. It charges with a USB Type-C cable, but it doesn't look like there is one in the box here. Nope, I just destroyed the box and there is no cable to look at. But here are the manuals about being safe. You probably don't want to walk around with it too much. This is some fit guides here for getting the right fit on your head with it, and of course the Let's Get Started component to it. So I'm going to play with this. We're going to look at it with that Galaxy phone, but I'm also going to try a few phones that are not on the official supported list to see how it all works, and we'll have a full review coming up very soon on the main channel at lon.tv, and in the future we'll also have some additional things that work with this technology, so lots to see, and stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Black Eyed and Blues Music Hour podcast, Chris Allegretta, Steve Blixt, Stanley Taub, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.